In the last few tutorials, we've explored different types of input elements. We've created checkboxes, submit buttons, radio buttons, text boxes, and more. In this video, we're going to cover additional types, specifically the date type and the number type. As you can see here, I've entered some text. We're going to create a page where a user can enter the date they want to travel to New York. The date type allows us to pick a date by providing a box in the browser for the user to select a date. Here's the first input element. For the type, we simply put in date. This gives us the box that allows the user to pick a date, and we can put whatever label we want here. Let's just put in day. Remember, this is a value we'll deal with later in PHP or ASP, so we're not worried about it for now. We're just concerned with the date type. I've also included some text specifying the number of days the user wants to stay in New York. The input type for this is number, allowing us to create an input field for numbers. This involves PHP or ASP scripts, but for now, let's label it as number days for the number of days. Next, we're very concerned with the minimum and maximum values the user can enter into the number box. We'll start with a minimum number of 1 and set a maximum of 10, meaning our travel agency will only allow users to stay there for 10 days. If they want to stay longer, they'll have to make other arrangements. These values apply to the number type. Now, let's save this and refresh our page. You'll see we have our date box and number box. You can now enter a date using the calendar tab to set the month, January, the day, the 3rd, and the year. In the number box, you'll notice it starts at 1 and goes up to 10 using the up arrow. Users can't go beyond these values with the arrow keys, but they can still manually enter any number, even if it's not allowed in our HTML. To prevent this, we'd use JavaScript, which we'll discuss in the JavaScript series. The minimum and maximum values in HTML only affect the up and down arrow keys in the browser. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video.